JoyReels app, so how to install on iPhone. So this is a new short dramas app similar to Drama Box, for example. And yeah, so you can find the perfect entertainment to match your mood. No matter where you are, you can watch the most popular miniseries anytime on JoyReels. Enjoy now. We offer wide selections of dramas and short TVs with high quality and high definition. Furthermore, fantastic plot, short episodes, frequent update, all make it easy to watch on the go. Yeah, so this is another of these apps. Sometimes it's good to get them because they offer some nice deals once they're just launching, and some nice series. You can see it in here. Then you can just browse it around. Then obviously you're just getting check-ins, and for free you get an ad rewards. Well, the more you watch, the more rewards you're getting, and then you can just obviously spend these coins to watch more movies. And I'm just looking, they also have some kind of redemption code, some coupons which you can get in here. If you log in, you also get in 50 bonus coins, some feedback, and that's basically it. So there are some kind of coupon codes, there are some promo codes. I don't know where to get those, but yeah, that's basically the idea. Yeah, so something like that in this app.